How to fix WhatsApp connecting problem on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get WhatsApp back online and connected properly. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. After that, reopen WhatsApp and check if it's connecting properly. From here, if it's still showing a connecting status, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Connections. At this point, toggle off Wi-Fi and turn it back on. Reconnect to your network and reopen WhatsApp to check if the connection is restored. From here, if it's still not connecting, open your Android settings again. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for WhatsApp and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, reopen WhatsApp and check if the connecting issue is resolved. From here, let me show you another fix. Go back to your Android settings again. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Tap on Reset. From there, tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm. This will reset all your Wi-Fi passwords and network configurations. Once done, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and reopen WhatsApp to check if it's connecting now. At this stage, if WhatsApp is still not connecting, open the Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap Update if one is available. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the WhatsApp connecting problem, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.